Hi, my name is Carol, and I just want to know, are you ready for your trip next week? I know I sure am, or I'm getting there. Just wanted to stop by with a couple of things that hopefully will make your packing process a little bit easier. First of all, if you could stick with a carry-on size suitcase, that would be awesome. You may or may not be able to bring it on the plane. Just be sure to check with your airlines as to what they allow. Some won't allow you to take anything bigger than 23 pounds. Other people want something that's more like 17 pounds. So be sure you check with the airline. And then be sure you add your orange luggage tag or orange ribbon that you got, because this will help us to spot any personal items or small backpacks or whatever you have. Our guides in country will thank you for that. And then wanted to mention a couple mistakes that people usually make when they travel, and that is they bring too many clothes or they bring too many dressy clothes. So you only really need to have one outfit that's dressy, if you will, or business casual or business elegant, and that is for the first night you arrive if you're going to Isa Franco, and then the last night or the last day when we're at the castle. So there's not really a lot of need for that. I'm going to put some packing tips, a link to that in the notes, but wanted to mention that one of the key things on this trip is going to be layers. Because it's fall, we're not quite sure if it's going to be hot in the middle of the day or cool, so I'm going to bring like a short sleeve simple top like this, and then I'll bring a long sleeve something to put over it if it's a little cool, and then on top of that I'll bring a sweatshirt or a fleece like that, and that way I can take things off, and I'll probably bring a lightweight long sleeve shirt as well. So I would just encourage you to try layers. The other thing that we found is super helpful is I'm not a big packing cube person because I feel like they take up a lot of space. So if you want to go that route, that's fine. But I like, these are called Zizzy Bees. And I just put my undergarments in these. I put bras in ones, socks in another, and other things in the third one. But when you pack, if you want to roll everything, that's what's the most helpful. It helps you to get more in there. Just roll like this. It goes in easy, and it helps to keep your clothes from getting wrinkled. And the other option you can do if you have something nice, like a nicer blouse for that first night, is you can use Ziploc bags. I know this is a small one, but if you have a big Ziploc bag and you slip it in there, some of the air in there cushions your blouse so that it doesn't get wrinkled. So I think those are just a few things that I wanted to mention. Again, you can look for links below this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.